1. Kevin Costner as Lieutenant John J. Dunbar. 70 years old, 2025. 35 years old, 1990. 2. Mary McDonnell as Stands with a Fist. 73 years old, 2025. 38 years old, 1990. 3. Graham Greene as Kicking Bird. 72 years old, 2025. 37 years old, 1990. 4. Rodney A. Grant as Wind in His Hair. 66 years old, 2025. 31 years old, 1990. 5. Floyd Westerman as Chief Ten Bears. Born, August 17, 1936. Died, December 13, 2007, aged 71. 6. Tantoo Cardinal as Black Shawl. 74 years old, 2025. 39 years old, 1990. 7. Jimmy Herman as Stone Calf. Born, October 25, 1940. Died, September 13, 2013, aged 72. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for subscribe.